Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Swalt Hub. Today is February 16th. It's Wednesday. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP in the short term, and I'll be touching on the medium term here and there. Without further ado, let's get started with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, as I covered yesterday, along with Litecoin, we're basically reaching our second wave top. The way I'm seeing this pattern form right over here, it's telling me that fifth wave is not in our local wave. In other words, we still have another small rally to go, and this can go upwards of, let's find out, 45 to approximately 45.2. From there, I'm expecting our big boy 3 to play out. Alright, which as we know is going to be all the way down to, let's find out, to approximately 38.3 and 39.3. Alright, so this is going to take us to our invalidation zone, which acted as a resistance back at around $39,000 level. What was a resistance one time will now become a support line. Alright, and here is where I expect our fourth wave to come in, all the way upwards of 42,000, and down we go for our fifth wave. Of course, fifth wave zone, I'll have an exact target once fourth wave is in. Cool. So short term, once again, look out for $45,000. Again, invalidation of such pattern would be a cross above our invalidation zone at approximately 45.8. For those people that want 100% confirmations with Elliott waves, best thing to do is wait for a confirmation break below 41.8. Such break would 100% confirm that we're heading towards 38.9, and then we would go for our fourth wave and fifth wave. Right now, it's more of 80% bearish until 41.8 is broken below. That's where it's 100% confirmed it's heading towards 39,000. You can go ahead, place your short positions. That's up to you according to your risk tolerance. Cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin has formed a very interesting pattern. We have our ABC correction to the upside, and right over here we triggered our 141. There is a slight possibility that C wave is at 1.618 at around 134. Alright, I'm not counting on this as much as I am counting with this second wave top, just because of this ABC correction. Alright, Therefore, Litecoin, this might be the top for second wave, or it might be here at 134. Nevertheless, in the medium term, I'm expecting a further pullback all the way down to the 186 and the 1.618 within 106. Of course, invalidation of such Elliott wave structure would be anything above 144, and same story follows. If you're trying to play this short position 100% in your position, you wait for a confirmation below 121, below our first wave. Alright, and then we'll get our fourth and fifth wave, and we'll play accordingly. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum continues doing its jiggity diggity. We have our third wave all the way up at the 2.618. Alright, so we have our first, second, third, we have our fourth, and there's a possibility we go up for our fifth wave all the way up at 32.30. That would set up for a beauty second wave top, and then we would head for our third wave pullback all the way down to 25.53, followed by a fourth wave and fifth wave. Something to keep in mind, we're not going to go down in a straight line, and I've repeated this multiple times. This is of course going to play in minor subwaves. Alright, and we'll get into those later once we have our second wave top. In validation, will always be above our higher high at 32.85, which in other words would invalidate this Elliott wave structure. However, the way this market is playing out, especially on the Bitcoin pair, I remain bearish. Alright, I'm not longing nothing. I don't give a shit about the fundamentals, MACD, RSI, indicators, you name it. What I care most about is our harmonics and Elliott waves. Alright, and what they're telling me is we have another pullback. Alright, until I get invalidation of this pullback, that's where we as investors go ahead and flip bearish. If for any reason the algorithm decides to go bullish, I don't want you thinking that we'll never test these levels ever again. Nope. The algorithm is going to do his jiggity diggity to the upside, followed by a second wave major. We're going to re-enter and play the rally. Alright, so this is where patience comes. We wait, we execute once we have that 100% confirmation, whether to the downside or to the upside, and play accordingly. I'm not gonna sit here like the average Rakishan Joe who are 100% perma bulls, no matter what these fundamentals, technical analysis, Elliott waves, indicators, you name it, alright, are telling them they're gonna remain bullish. Alright, because that's what they have built into their mindset. Bullish, bullish, bullish. That's it. Alright, if that's how you trade, you're always bullish, you're not looking at every possible aspect of a scenario, you're gonna get melted. Alright, you're gonna get wrecked. As simple as that. And that's the last thing I want you guys doing, because that's what I see most new investors and sometimes advanced investors doing. Alright, so that's why I share these videos with you. Alright, we're trading data. I've been repeating this multiple times. I'm not here sharing bullshit. I'm not here sharing my emotional trade setups. Oh, I think today we go to the moon. Bitcoin has crossed the local all-time high. Nope. What I'm here doing is sharing with you guys solid data. Alright, data that I've studied for years. And not for a week, not for a month, for years. I've done trial and errors. I've went through pain and hell learning these strategies to prevent these mistakes from happening, and I'm here sharing them with you on these videos. Cool. I hope that's crystal clear. So exciting days, that's all I can say, especially when I can't, and I swear to God I can't wait until 28,000 is triggered, and even 18,000. 18,000, I didn't really speak about this. This would set us up for a bear market. Alright, but the bigger story is we would be heading for a big boy 3 to the upside, and it's gonna be fucking massive. Alright, this $28,000 mark, I hope, alright, I'm not really aiming for 28,000. I would say it's most likely, I'm hoping anywhere within 28.5 to be exact, to approximately 30,000. Alright, this zone right here, we're gonna leverage the living soul out of this range. Alright, so once this zone is triggered, oh lord, this is gonna be like winning the lotto freaking max. We're gonna leverage the living soul out of this range, and hallelujah, up we go for null season. Alright, so Bitcoin and Litecoin are covered, Ethereum as well, we covered that. So third wave once again at 25.53, I got sidetracked, and your fifth wave at 24.32, which of course will change depending on this fourth wave. Let's now take a look at XRP. What do we have here for XRP? So XRP in the short term is forming a rising or an ascending triangle, just like what happened with our first fractal. Such pattern tends to be a bullish pattern, indicating that we have further upside. So in other words, if this pattern plays out, no question asked, XRP is heading towards 95 cents. However, I know Bitcoin is gonna ruin the party, therefore, I'm not even gonna bother with such trade setup, because there is a possibility all this is a fake out. We're just gonna go for a small sucker relief rally, possibly towards 786. It doesn't have to, but 786, and possibly the 886 at around 89 cents. From here, this would set up XRP for a further third wave, fourth and fifth wave. Third wave should be at approximately the 1.618, which will then oh lord, I got the hiccups, this is bad. Yup, you guys know what that means, right? You're gonna hear me all video. Oh lord, good thing it's our last pair. Woo! Oh shit, guys, when I get the hiccups, they don't go away. Even if I drink water, sugar, God knows, chocolate, peanut butter, you name it, I've tried everything, it doesn't go away. All right, so let's end off this video quick. Fourth wave is gonna go upwards of 75 cents, and then we would get our fifth wave pullback. Cool, fifth wave, we don't know where exactly until fourth wave is in. If for any reason XRP or Bitcoin, I mean, decides to go for this $28.5 thousand mark, what would this really mean for XRP? This would mean that XRP is heading towards 33 freaking cents. Some of you might see this as holy shit, this is gonna be a nightmare, but holy shit, I mean, just think about the opportunity. I mean, just think about how much more you can increase your bag by. All right, you're gonna increase your bag by almost 60%. All right, that's freaking Black Friday discount once again. All right, so if we get to this zone, guys, I'm not bullshitting you, I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna leverage the living soul out of this range right over here. All right, not just with XRP, as well as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. I go way more in depth in tomorrow's video for our long-term targets for Bitcoin and Litecoin. So exciting days ahead. We'll see how this market plays out. In the meantime, we're just gonna sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Alright, so without further ado, I hope you all enjoyed this video, gave you some kind of insight of what's happening in the market. If you guys are confused, you don't know what's going on, you need some advice, whether with crypto, stocks. Alright, so without further ado, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.